Jeep up.
All right, you guys, we wanted to remind you that this Friday, December 30th, is the final segment of Operation Yellow Submarine.
It's a good one. You're not going to want to miss these guys get their boat back.
Yep, so you guys need to tune in. And if you haven't watched Merlin's Old School Garage and all the build videos, go there and do that now.
All right, but for now, you can watch this video. Yankum Ropes sent these down to us. These things are awesome. You've seen us run them on the FJ, other places. They are super handy. But you got to take your eyelet off the end, right, Land?
Yeah.
So that's what Land's doing right here. He's going to cut the end of this off, and then he's going to show you guys how to re-loop the end of this rope so that it will go around here and work without a hook on the end.
Probably gonna have to watch a little YouTube. I can't remember how to do this too well. Okay, so far I've got the end cut off and these two marked, so I can put this little tool through it and so I can make a hole for the other one. Go through here, then you take this, then you pull it through. Yep, there.
Like a Chinese finger trap type deal.
I know, it really is. And then you pull this one tight, and you gotta put this end. Why is that so difficult? Oh, we're moving. There we go. Then we're supposed to loosen this one. Something like that. Right now I'm trying to get this part so I can put it down in the rope. I'm tapering the rope. That's pretty much what I'm doing.
Now, I don't know if you know what you're doing.
I do. I'm watching the video.
Oh, you're YouTubing it.
Yeah.
A YouTuber's YouTubing. Who would have thunk it? Randall would tell you to give it a hi-ya. He would.
You probably would.
There, you're winning the battle. You didn't go far enough. Hold on, hold on. Simmer down, we can fit. Oh, and you missed the middle.
I did?
Your first one was good.
Hey, don't worry. I already cut the radio deck crooked, and I mean, you got to do it twice to do it right.
That's right. If you're not doing it twice, you're not working at Fab Rats, my friend. At least you didn't just catch your brand new seats on fire.
Hey, you got fire. You got fire right there. Let's eat it out.
Here's not
I did not do that.
I did. So
I know if I did that, I would.
You'd have been
You'd
fired.
have just left, wouldn't you?
I probably would have just left.
I'd have fired you. I'd have been like,
returned.
Landon, you're fired. Gave you the Donald Trump.
Then he would have called you later and said, hey, come to work.
All right, get back in here. We've got stuff to do. I have completely taken over Landon's job at this point. Hold this.
Father and son bonding.
Yep.
We're bonding.
Bonding moment.
Look at that. Oh, it'll probably work. Make the other one just a hair bigger. I'll break that one for you one of these days and you can redo it. Yep, that's gonna work. He'll swap this out and get this Hugmo unit put on here.
Yeah, you get a couple tugs on that.
I guess I won't fire you.
Yay, I'm not getting fired.
Yeah.
Yet.
Yeah.
Yet.
That's gonna look good on there, isn't it? Did you get the hardware that came with this?
No.
Oh. When you buy stuff from Yankum Ropes, you don't get hosed. You get parts too. There you go. Parts is parts, my friend. 2 of those, 2 of those. You're welcome.
We got another situation. The bolt won't fit. Oh, got it. Never mind. We're good.
Oh yeah. He went from no possible way this could ever work to I got it, don't worry about it. You didn't even know you were that good, did you?
Nope.
You need me to show you how this ratchet works?
I know how it works.
If you can't give your kids a hard time, what can you give them? That's what I'm wondering.
Joy,
Joy?
happiness,
Really?
something. I could think of a few, you
What
know.
does Hunter know?
Lots of things.
And all of them bad. Think back of all the trouble that Hunter's got you in, Landon.
We've had very good times, okay?
Overall good times.
There was no
He
trouble.
almost killed you in a topless car once.
He got in willingly, okay?
Yeah.
Lessons were learned.
I want to come off.
Yeah, I think if you can drill those holes, we'll be.
Got it.
Struggle bus? It's real?
It's a real bus.
It's a real bus. I've been on it. I burnt my truck down on it a minute ago.
That's a real bus.
How bad would that have sucked? Tow truck runs and drive, and we burn it to the ground in the shop.
Make good content. That would be a good video.
Way to look at it, huh?
Hunter, We can only make that video once. You're
A
done.
lot of people would probably want to see that though.
Just Matt.
Probably was some
When I whip him, he's like, competition out. See you later. Haha, found it. Just kidding. He's okay with second place.
And that won't move anymore.
You did a fine job. We're putting the finishing touches on here. I've shown you the light. Now do the other side. Good job.
So much fun.
All right, so the other day we picked up some remote controls from Traxxas. Look at these hot rods. Things are sweet. Hunter is currently testing one out in the shop. Thing is awesome. All-wheel drive, tons of horsepower. We're gonna have a few hours of fun. It snowed outside, everything's all white, so what do? You rip some remote controls around in the shop. That's what we do.
Several days later.
What are you doing?
We're gonna go test these out on the basketball court. Well, it looks to me like they work pretty good.
All right, it's one of those days it's hard to get motivated because it's cold and snowy outside. We don't want to bring anything in here and get it all dirty. We've ripped the RCs around for a minute. Now we've decided we have to do something. So we're headed down to pick up the donor Jeep that we're gonna take all of Ben's old Jeep parts out and put inside of. Eventually. It's not gonna happen for a while because honestly, we've got enough projects started at this point that aren't finished, so we're gonna finish some stuff, then we'll do that. So here we go. We gotta get ice from the store.
No.
Well, let's load us a Jeep up. This thing's actually pretty straight. It may not even be rusted in if you clean it up. Is the motor the same one that was in it, or did they put a different one?
No, it's the same.
Same locked up.
I think, yeah.
Cool. Well, this will be all the parts and pieces to put that other one back.
I mean, I think the frame is
it's good.
good.
And we need a body and a frame, basically. So
Right.
it's good parts
Yeah.
for sure. I mean, it'll be pretty capable, but. Well, thanks, sir.
Yep, thanks.
We'll put a Jeep together at some point. New owners of a Jeep, a white one. Never owned a white Jeep. I've owned a black Jeep once, and then I gave it to Ben for parts for his.
You've
And then-
given 2 Jeeps to Ben?
I have given 2 Jeeps to Ben. The other one I gave him, you can't really qualify it as a Jeep. It was a rust bucket. It was like a 5-gallon bucket of rust. All right, we got ourselves a nice new Jeep. She's a beaut. We'll work on it one of these days, but not anytime soon. We gotta finish the tow truck. We're getting us a new creeper. I mean, the one that Merlin gave us down to Havasu was pretty sweet, other than the wheels fell off of it. Let's get this thing out of here and see what she looks like. Oh, it's big and heavy. I think there's more wheels. Got them. This may be the easiest assembly at Christmas time I've ever had to do. It's probably not the best creeper if you're working on like Honda Civics, but we don't work on those around here at Fab Rats very often. We work on 4-wheel drive stuff. And this here creeper is a version of the 4-wheel drive creepers. It's gonna do what we need it to. Think Ben can break this one, Hunter?
If anybody was to, I bet he could find a way, but I think it might take a little longer.
This one's a good one. It feels pretty heavy duty. Let me get a wrench and we'll tighten them. Oh yeah. That's good. I like it. We'll take it. Now this one's made for your Honda Civics. So when we do have them, oh yeah, that's cushy. Perfect. This one's got little trays to put your bolts in. Perfect. Now we just gotta find somewhere to put it. All right, sorry, Yankum. You're taking up my wall space. Probably questioning my decision there. See anything wrong with that? This one's gonna need like, it's gonna be like 27 miles long for the 4-wheel drive one. We'll just, perfect. Seen this at SEMA? Had to have one. This thing's gonna mount on the wrecker boom so that we have it with us all the time. Pretty dang cool off-road jack. Do we need these? Look at that, bearings. That thing's cool. Look how heavy build it is. And it comes with a convenient lifting strap. About that easy. What was the picture? Small wheels on the front, big wheels on the back. That was pretty easy assembly, right? What else we got? That thing bolts on somewhere right there. This thing goes through there. All right, I'll get a wrench, we'll tighten the wheels. So, and then these go down in there, and then that tightens in and holds it in. Pretty dang cool. They thought of about everything on this jack. Comes with this here wrench that you can tighten these down with. What are you up to, Grandma?
I came to see this Badland.
It's a pretty cool little jack.
It really, truly is.
They thought of a lot of stuff on it. It's gonna be pretty handy. The wrench holder back. Now all we've got left to do is make it work. That thing pumps fast.
Oh, and it goes down fast too. That's pretty sweet.
Okay, let's lift the truck. Alright, change tire, Hunter.
I'm good.
Works, Jim Dandy. Yeah, I think you can flip that thing down and it locks right there.
Badland, pretty bad, eh?
Now we just gotta figure out where to stash it on the rollback or on the wrecker and we're good to go.
So we just wanted to tell you guys Merry Christmas again and thank you for all the cards and the gifts you guys have all sent us. You guys are amazing.
Pretty dang amazing.
So thank you guys for watching. You guys are awesome.